Good morning, children. I am back again with the question and answer session like we had yesterday. So let's revise the topic with some more questions and answers. Now tell me, is it a box? Yes, it is a box. Is it a fork? No, it is a spoon. Is it a brush? No, it is a comb. Children, today I want you to give me an answer with a yes or a no along with this or that. You already know when to use this or that. When an object is near to us, we say this. And when an object is further away from us and has a finger pointing, we say that. Now children, I will be asking you some questions and would like you to listen carefully to my answers. Is that a bus? No, that is a car. See, the object is far away and I'm also pointing to that object. So we use the word that. Is this a key? Yes, this is a key. The key is close to me and that's why there is no finger pointing. And so we use this. Is that a banana? No, that is a tomato. Is this a pig? Yes, this is a pig. Is that a bowl? Yes, that is a bowl. Let us do an exercise in your classwork book to help you to understand the topic better. So please open your classwork book to page 123. 1, 2, 3. We will answer the questions given on this page with a yes or a no and write it in a sentence form. Answer the following questions using yes or no. Children, look at the first picture. Read the question and answer it in a sentence form. The first question. Is this a glass? As this is not a glass but a flag, so we shall write no, this is a flag. Close to the margin, capital N, O, no, one finger space, T, H, I, S, this, I, S is a, F, L, A, G. Flag. Full stop. No, this is a flag. The next question. Is this a clown? Yes, this is a clown. Capital Y E S, yes. T H I S, this. I S is a C L O W N, clown. Yes, this is a clown. Now, the next question, question 3. Is that a drum? Can you see the pointer? It is used for the word that. No, that is a chair. Children, please write along with me. Capital N O, no. T H A T, that. Is a C H A I R, chair. No, that is a chair. Is this a sheep? No, this is a ship. Capital N O, no. T H I S, this. I S is a S H I P, ship. No, this is a ship. The next question. Is that a ball? Here too we can see the pointer. Yes, that is a ball. Capital Y E S, yes. T H A T, that. I S is a B A L L, ball. Yes, that is a ball. The last question, children. Is this a jeep? No, this is a book. Capital N O, no. T H I S, this. Is a B O O K, book. No, this is a book. Okay, children. So now let us read through all the questions and answers once again. Is this a glass? No, this is a flag. Is this a clown? Yes, this is a clown. Is that a drum? No, That is a chair. Is this a sheep? No, this is a ship. Is that a ball? Yes, that is a ball. The last question. Is this a jeep? No, this is a book. Now children, please open your homework book to page 110 and read all the questions first. Then try and answer the questions before you read the answers. Then open page 113 and complete the given exercise. So children, I am sure you have understood the correct usage of yes and no in a sentence form. Bye bye children. Take care and be good.